Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, we've got some sourdough bread, which will turn to toast. We got some lettuce, a couple pasture-raised eggs, butter, mayo, and here's the star of the show besides the eggs. Those are artichokes. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? Today it's another fried egg sandwich, 2 fried eggs, no cheese. The only thing really bad for you on this one is the mayo. Don't put mayo if you don't want. Use mustard, but this is going to work with mayo. It's a fried egg, artichoke, and lettuce sandwich with plenty of mayo. It's going to be killer diller. Let's fry up those eggs and put this baby together. We have a pan heated to medium. We're going to add butter. Well, let's put 1 egg down. That's a baby. Put another pickle down. That's what I'm talking about. A little pepper on both sides. All right. This is ready for a flip. This is ready for a flip. Shut it off. Let's get the toast, put this baby together. Alrighty, we got some mayo on both sides. Take this fresh lettuce, put this baby right here. Now we've got these artichokes. We're gonna put those guys right down here. Spread those out. A little pepper on the lettuce. I'm gonna put 1 egg here. Put the other baby right there. Just a little mayo right here so it'll stick. Ready for the old flipperoo? Oh, this is a monster. Okay, here's the old sliceroo. Let's reveal it. Oh yeah, let's get a nice close-up. There it is, artichoke, lettuce with fried eggs. Let's get a big bite. All right, here's another close-up. Let's see how this baby tastes. Okay, you ready? Fried eggs, nice and creamy, warm, contrasting with the coolness of the artichokes and the lettuce. There's some yolk. The artichokes are subtle, but they got a nice little taste to them. Crunchy lettuce. Very lightly toasted sourdough bread. Good sandwich. Check out more sandwich recipes. I got over 100 of them at Live Life 365 and on my socials. Keep living life 365. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Let's put the fried eggs together. Both eggs. That should be it. How's that sound? Sounds good to me. Let me go check the toast. Alrighty. Is it? I don't know if it's the bubble. It's debatable. Let's have that debate. Is it sweet bubble? Perhaps. Tell people about it. Baba.